It's hard to believe the house that's 84 years old, that's located in Mobile, Alabama, where it really gets hot, never had any air conditioning. So a big change is ahead for this house with the new air conditioned heating system that's all installed. But it's been quite a challenge to route all of the ductwork and all of the equipment in this home without having to build a lot of fur downs that can really affect the character of a house. Our air conditioning guy did a great job. Big change ahead here. Now, another thing that's going to make this work really well is all of the insulation that will be installed. And another surprising thing, that it had no insulation at all, ever. Even in the later years where a lot of people will add insulation, no insulation here. But we're about to completely foam the underside of the roof decking and fill all of these rafter voids with foam. The foam we've chosen is a product from Icynene, which is made from the oil of castor bean. It goes on in a thin layer and quickly expands to about 100 times its size to fill in voids in the framing. In areas like walls or vaulted ceilings where drywall will cover the inside, a long serrated blade is used to shave off the excess once the foam is dry. They don't, however, put any insulation between the living space and the attic. Our friend from Icynene explains why.
First of all, you only need one thermal boundary, so you don't need one there and up here. Also, we don't want to impede the passive communication of the fully conditioned space below with the semi-conditioned space of the attic.
I see.
And some of that we derive from leakage through the drywall.
Right. Another thing that surprised a lot of people, we tout all the time and have for years the importance of attic ventilation. Here, you're eliminating all of the ventilation.
What we believe is that once you seal up the attic, there's no more outside air that can penetrate into the attic, no dust, no pollen, and no excess moisture from humidity, which we have a lot of in the southern part of the country. Now we have control of this space by sealing the attic and spraying to the roof deck. And this space will remain typically within 10 degrees of the thermostat downstairs on the hottest day of the year.
That's not usually the case in an attic.
No.
But you can get an attic. I mean, I've been in attics 130 degrees and the air conditioning system just struggling downstairs to keep it at a decent temperature.
It's important to note you've got ductwork running in attics, typically in a lot of construction.
Right.
Now we've got the ductwork in a friendly environment to transport
So it's not
warm or
working
cool
as
air.
hard
It's
as far
not
as the
working as
losing
hard.
BTUs from point A to point B.
Right. The heat loss gain on the ductwork is minimal.
Right.